It's the VE Day bank holiday weekend. It's also lockdown. What campsite can we stay in? We're heading out to our campsite this weekend. It's the VE Day weekend, so let's see how far we get in the van. And there we are. It looks like there's a handy caravan site. I think we'll be staying here this weekend. We're next going to take out the toilet cassette, and we're going to add the chemicals off camera. Place the unit back in. Making use of the site facilities, we need to fill the aqua roll with some drinking water, and we're also going to fill the watering can to use water for the flush tank. We take the pathway to the water facilities, through the garden gate, and start the fill-up process. The water pressure at this establishment is not the best, but we make do. And there goes the watering can, all full of water. Now, let's tow the roll back to the caravan and get it connected. Fill up the external flush tank and then deal with the fresh water. So we first connect up the water pipe to the external port on the caravan, go inside the caravan, turn on the water pump, open up the taps and drain out all the air, and we see a clear stream of water.
Oh, so this is the dog walking area. Let's have a look. It's nice that the dogs can go off lead here. Come on, Dotty Milo. Come on. Don't think the groundsman's been round with the lawnmower any time recently, but good enough, isn't it? What do you think?
I guess I'll be mowing the lawn then.
Okay.
Tidy up those beds, pull out all that loose grass, do a spot of watering, and trim those bushes. You know it's worth it. Let's do some archaeology.
Whilst Mrs. Crafty Caravanners was doing the weeding over bank holiday weekend, she has come across a few finds in the garden. Just prior to lockdown, we had decided that after watching some videos of something called mudlarking, which is also known as beach combing, we're quite interested in this kind of thing. So I'm just going to go over some of the things we found. We've not been out and done anything. We're not experts. Any information that I do give is taken with a pinch of salt for what I can remember from videos of other people's finds. So my most exciting and brilliant find of the day for me was this Victorian pipe. It's got a spur heel. The bowl would have come up here, and this is the spur heel, and then the rest of the pipe stem would have protruded up here. And I also found another piece of pipe stem as well. I think slightly older because it's thinner. But here we go. Probably not exciting to you guys, but I nearly wet myself, I tell you. This here is called ridgeware pottery. Probably can tell why, it has ridges in it. And I believe it used to contain things like marmalade. Pete will show you a picture here now of what a complete piece of ridgeware pottery looks like. This here is a piece of an old bottle. You can tell it's an old bottle because of the thickness of the glass and also because of the colouring. I didn't find the rest of the bottle, that was it. We've also got some interesting pieces of blue pottery. So that's what they call feather edge. And then some more blue and white. Very pale. And you're probably wondering, why on earth am I keeping all these pieces? Well, what I intend to do is make collages with the bits of pottery. Here's an example of what can be made. This is the remains of a teacup. Would have been a very pretty little teacup in its time. Also got some other pieces of pottery, just plain pottery, so no idea what that was. Some brown and white pottery there. Some just plain white. Here, I think this might have been part of a bottle. You can just see the start of a letter there, but without any more letters. I can't do any research into it, so that's a shame. Got some earthenware here. Some of this pottery could be, this earthenware pottery could be as old as Roman times, but I need to do a bit more research into that. Found this stick-like thing, and I think it could be a bit of slate pencil. So, you know, they would use it on a board. And then some other random bits. I think we have a sheep's tooth, bit grim, and some modern day finds as well. No ideas what these are. Well, this looks like something off of a Dyson vacuum cleaner or something. But anyway, so there's just a little overview of the bits and bobs that I found in our garden.
Let's tour the other facilities and see what's on offer. Here's the rules of the laundry room. We better stick to those. And a shot of the laundry room itself, with handy sink. Here are the unisex toilets. Kept spick and span by the site staff. Very nice indeed. The washing up area. Bright and shiny washing up area, very cheery. Shower and wash up facilities for human beings. Be careful, it's a slip hazard in here. There's a full view of the shower, a rather nice one, and unusually, a bathtub. Why not join us celebrating VE Day? We consume a variety of traditional snack items, including scones with jam and cream, finger sandwiches, pork pies, some French fancy cakes, Mexican corn chips with salsa dip, and of course the odd beer and cider. Cheers, everybody.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Kaz's Nail Crafts. And what can we do for you today? Just quick buff and a polish?
Or show back and sides.
Okay. Dab, it takes longer. Bend your thumb!
Which way?
That way!
It doesn't bend that way.
It does bend that way.
Well,
You've got a
if
knuckle
you do it hard
joint.
enough, yeah.
Right.
Ow.
Right, just bend your fingers a little bit. No, don't touch the... Right, just leave them like that. There we go, sir. Suits you. On the way out, we do have a tip box if you feel you've had a good service today. Thank you for your custom.
How about red rum in the Grand National?
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to follow us on social media.
Subscribe to our channel
Give us a like.
and turn on notifications.
Bye.
Bye.